From the home base in Brookfield, Wisconsin, welcome to the latest episode of Inside Connect and Simplify. I'm Stephanie Paulsen, Manager of Digital Marketing. I joined the benefit companies in 2017, and I shape the words, phrases, and images that represent the benefit companies.
And I'm Roger Fuerstenau, Account Executive, Subject Matter Expert in Personal and Business Insurance, member of the marketing team, and networking enthusiast. I joined the benefit companies in 2016. Thanks for listening.
This podcast is brought to you by Connect and Simplify, the trademark human capital management service of the benefit companies. To learn more, go to www.connectandsimplify.com.
In our last episode, we introduced the concept of being less vertical and more horizontal. In our world, a vertical is a discipline that stands on its own without being connected to another discipline. For example, a client that uses us for payroll only.
We also talked about how clients use us across all of our disciplines, and we connect them in our cloud-based human capital management platform, Connect and Simplify. This client would use our HR, payroll, time and labor management, employee benefits, and retirement plan modules, and all of that data would be connected and flow seamlessly. Today we're going to talk about gaps. So let's define a gap as a space or hole between two objects. Think back to history class. The Cumberland Gap is described as a gateway through the Cumberland Mountains. This gap is a path, a trail that allowed the easiest passage through the mountain range.
Football fans, or fans of Good Morning America, would recognize the famous gap in the front teeth of host Michael Strahan. In our world, gaps are found between disciplines typically created when information cannot be easily sent from one to another. Usually the culprit is multiple vendors with disparate systems.
Say, for example, a company uses vendor A for payroll, vendor B for employee benefits, and vendor C for their retirement plans. Now, let's all agree every payroll transaction will also involve moving data to employee benefits and retirement plans. Even if the systems used by these three vendors were compatible, the odds of the systems being perfectly designed to set up to move all of the information correctly would be very long odds.
Maybe miraculous would be a better term. 3 different vendors with systems that are compatible, current on their updates, configured perfectly for every employee nuance, impeccable data entry, perfect timing of moving records, and every manual step performed correctly. That sounds like a fairy tale. Even if 2 of these 3 vendors were using the exact same systems, the number of variables are still really big.
But wait, the miracle happens and the payroll runs perfectly. The feeds to employee benefits and retirement program systems are flawless and there are no issues. What are the odds that this fairy tale will run perfectly again 23 more times for the entire year? That means that there are no human errors, no system issues, and all records move properly between 3 different systems every single time. And I haven't even mentioned how corrections or annual changes are handled.
Look, every one of us has had an issue with trying to open an email attachment only to be stopped because the sender used a different system, different format, different file type, security measures. You open an email, you click on the attached, and you see nothing. Or a series of 1s and 0s. Or you see code. Or the file is just too big. It happens all the time. And it happens all the time with our prospective clients who use more than one vendor to move data files. The resulting gap creates more work, period.
So how do you eliminate these gaps? To be sure, Michael Strahan could close the gap in his teeth with some orthodontia. He never will because it makes him unique. But gaps in our world cause more work. We are all about closing or eliminating gaps and creating less work. So what's the solution that eliminates gaps?
Reducing the number of systems in play, reducing the number of manual entries, reducing the number of file transfers, reducing the number of steps for each transaction, reducing the number of vendors involved in movement of data, reducing the number of steps to make corrections, reducing the number of people involved in moving the data.
There are vendors out there that have recognized gaps are a problem and have taken steps to reduce the number of gaps. Some have partnered with other vendors to create connections between their systems. Some have added expanded offerings.
However, to our knowledge, none of them offer one system, one vendor, each module designed to the client's specifications and rules, fully integrated with real-time updates, cloud-based with a single sign-on technology that is updated and kept current in the cloud, not at the client service level. Backed by an industry leader in technology and serviced locally by subject matter experts.
What does this solution offer you and your employees? What does it save? Time, money, man-hours, headaches, blood pressure points. Look, you're in the business to make a product or offer a service. Along the way, you need to hire vendors to take care of the administrative tasks that benefit your employees. Keep them healthy and happy.
You should not need to manage vendors to make sure your employees are paid correctly, that their retirement plan has been designed to offer your employees the offerings they need to help build a comfortable retirement, that your employees can get the answers they need to their questions about their medical plan. The vendors you select should be efficient and equipped to take these items off your plate.
Time and again, when we talk about prospective clients in our sales meetings, we find that they are experiencing less service or less technical capability than they want or need. Top flight, integrated technology, and a personal service model help eliminate those issues for our clients.
In our next episode, we will continue to talk about real client issues and gaps we have helped to eliminate by bringing these clients to our human capital management platform, Connect and Simplify. To learn more about our horizontal way of thinking and helping our clients, go to www.connectandsimplify.com or contact me at Fuerstenau@benefitsinc.com. I will gladly take your call also at 262-278-8522.
Remember what makes the benefit companies unique. We have 45 years in business. We have an employee base with an average of over 10 years experience in each field. The latest technology powered by Ultimate Kronos Group, or UKG. We have clients across the United States, which gives us experience and knowledge across all states. Our technology is nimble and flexible and state-of-the-art. Our service model is built on relationships, not call centers. And most notably, our trademarked human capital management platform, Connect and Simplify, integrates human resources, time and labor management, payroll, retirement plans, and employee benefits in one single sign-on cloud-based system. No outside vendors needed.
We also offer subject matter experts in business insurance, workers' comp, and Affordable Care Act compliance reporting. We are not aware of any company that offers all of these disciplines under one roof.
Do you need more? We are a private company, which gives us the ability to act quickly and efficiently when navigating tough economic waters. We're not a software sales company. We don't sell a software package that you have to install, set up, and maintain. We design solutions that meet our clients' unique needs. We build it to your specifications, implement and educate you on how to use it, and run all updates remotely to keep you running clean data.
Unique? Yes. Different? Yes. Battle-tested, state-of-the-art, always improving? Yes. A couple of areas we will talk to next time will be a company who came to us because their current employee benefits broker does not offer the service they need. A company that left us because they were promised a better price and comparable tech and service. They found the promise of better tech and service did not materialize, and they came back.
And a company who came to us because I don't want to think or worry about any of these areas. I want the benefit companies to handle it so I can focus on the business. Join us next week for these stories and more on our human capital management platform, Connect and Simplify. Until then, be well.
Outsourcing is moved from an occasional experience to an efficient way to manage a business. The Benefit Companies, Inc. is a group of companies that have provided products and services to employers for over 40 years. We have combined technical abilities and consultative specialists to customize a solution to meet your outsourcing needs. In addition to helping with your outsourcing needs, we have introduced our human capital management system, Connect and Simplify. Our platform is a full suite HCM cloud solution designed to meet the needs of small and mid-sized organizations. Its comprehensive tool set integrates HR, time and attendance, payroll, scheduling, and more for managing and nurturing your organization's most valuable asset, from pre-hire to retire, offering a single source access to real-time employee data for driving productivity, increasing employee engagement, and making more informed business decisions. Contact us to learn more at 262-207-1999 or www.connectandsimplify.com.